Adding an address to your address book or a one-touch. Canon image runners have 3 ways to enter addresses into the send function. 1. New address, which is for one-time use. 2. Address book, the main location for addresses. Or 3. A one-touch, similar to a speed dial. Let's add an address to the address book. To do so, navigate to Scan and Send button on your main screen, click on Address Book, click on Register New Destination. Here you can register a few different type of destinations. Let's register an email. In this new window, we can give the address a name, and we can enter the email address. Once all the information is filled out, click OK. Click OK once again. Your destination is now saved in the address book. Now let's look at saving an address as a one-touch. Click on One Touch, click Register, select which one-touch slot you would like to save this address to, click Register Edit. Let's see what it requires for a fax. On this screen, we need to give the registration a name. Now we need to name the one-touch button, enter the fax number in this section, and click OK. We now have a fax number saved as a one-touch button. If you have any questions or would like to see specific tutorials, feel free to let us know. We hope this video helped. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you have a great day.